In this guide, I'll show you how to use your Android phone or laptop as a second monitor for your Windows PC using SpaceDesk. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for SpaceDesk. Download and install the SpaceDesk Viewer app. Next, on your Windows PC, open your web browser and visit spacedesk.net. On the SpaceDesk website, click the download button and download the Collect SpaceDesk driver for your version of Windows. For example, if you're using a 64-bit version of Windows 11, download the Windows 11 64-bit installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the SpaceDesk driver. When the installation finishes, click Finish. After that, open the Start menu, search for SpaceDesk Driver Console and launch it. Make sure the driver is turned on. Now, open the SpaceDesk Viewer app on your phone. If both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your computer should automatically appear in the list of available connections. Tap your computer to connect. After a few seconds, your PC screen will appear on your phone, allowing you to use it as a second monitor. If you want to use a Windows laptop as a second monitor instead, open the Microsoft Store on the laptop and search for SpaceDesk. Download and install the SpaceDesk Viewer app from the Microsoft Store. After installing the app, open the SpaceDesk Viewer on the laptop. When your PC appears in the list of available devices, click it to connect. Once connected, your desktop screen will be displayed on the laptop. You can switch the viewer to full screen mode for a better second monitor experience. Your phone or laptop should now be working as a second display for your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.